going on, guys? We've been without power for the last 13 hours or so. I'm just trying to create fire so that way I can have some meat to cook. Got a lot of deer venison that I need to cook, but I need to get some coffee in me first. Got my little container, staying warm. I got a propane heater inside. I was trying to move everything inside my shed here. It's not finished yet. It's still in the works. I got the roof on, doors enclosed all the way around, but I got insulation on 3 of the walls, but they're only halfway up, more or less, about 3 feet high. I got insulation here that I still needed to get done. I got that wall up. Insulation. I got this wall up. It's about 4 feet up. But I'm still lacking this one. And I got that wall up. I got my kayak. And some spools that I'm going to use for tables. But this is a 12 by 12 by 10 in height. And I think it came out pretty well for the first time, me actually building it. I had help from my daughters and my mother, but majority of it, you know, I more or less did what I had to do. Got the flooring in. I got some wood doors, temporary wood doors. Enough about the shed, but I wanted to move the fire in here, but it. Create fire so I can get some cold, nice warm meals inside for the fam. Just chopping up chunks of wood that I had inside from the shed that I was building. I'm just using these for fire. I have actual oak, but it's all soaked up. It's wet. It's been submerged in about a foot of snow, maybe more. But I'm trying to upload this video. Today is Monday, February the 15th. Yesterday was Valentine's Day, and I got into a fender bender on my way to the store. Long story. That's a whole. I'm not even trying to go there. But I'm just trying to show you some tactics since we've been out of power. I do have a 110 outlet on the back of my truck, on the bed of my truck. It's Toyota, so I'm just trying to warm up some food. I got some meat thawing out so that I could throw it on the grill and have some lunch. But it's 11:07. I haven't even popped open a beer yet. I got plenty of leftover plywood. 2x4s that I'm gonna use for cooking. I got some wood in there that I'm letting thaw out. But in the meantime, this is all I got because I'm hungry and I'm ready to eat. Just trying to get some nice coals We got a lot of snow, lots of snow, man. Record-breaking snow in Texas. And I built me a little mini fort just to keep the wind from blowing, so that way I could get my fire going on my little grill. There's no need for me to pull out the big pit. Excuse my nose if you see boogers running. It's cold, guys, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm not gonna sit here and wait on the electric company, because I know they're busy. Don't get me wrong, hats off to them. They're doing their best to try and get us power restored. But in the meantime, you know, I watch a lot of you guys' videos on YouTube, survival, and you know, a quick setup just in case you get caught in a snowstorm or blizzard. You know, in a real hectic situation. I've seen videos, and very informative videos, and I appreciate y'all's help, you know, uploading those. You know, I'm taking whatever I've learned since a kid to watching y'all's videos, and I'm putting them into my own perspective as to what, you know, I feel is recommended that needs to happen currently due to this winter Arctic snowstorm we just received overnight, and they're expecting more snow coming. Tomorrow, be more snow coming tomorrow. But I have to build a fire to eat, survival. So appreciate y'all for watching, man. I'm just gonna let these cold pieces of wood. I'm gonna put my water on here so it'll be nice and hot. So that way I can have me something to drink, something warm to drink. I don't have much out here at all, so y'all stay tuned, man. Q Outdoors.